Hi everyone, in this tutorial I am going to show you how we can classify our soil sample using soil texture triangle. The soil texture triangle has three sides. One side represents sand from 0 to 100. The second side represents clay from 0 to 100. And the right side represents silt from 0 to 100. In this sample we have 40% of sand, 30% of silt and 30% of clay. The summation of this percent must equal to 100. Now, for 40% of sand, from here draw a line. This line represents 40% of sand and 30% of silt. This side represents silt. Draw another line, 30%. This line represents 30% and 30% of clay. This line represents 30% of clay. Now, the location of intersection of the three lines represent the soil texture. Now, soil texture within clay loam. Clay loam. If the intersection from here, it changes to clay. Now we have clay loam. Let's show you another soil texture calculator. It's easy to use. From Google, search for soil texture calculator. Click this one. Let us write the percent for the sand 40%, clay 30%, and silt 30%. The same. Get texture. You see, directly give me clay loam. It is clay loam. And for example, I change it to 50. It become clay. You see clay. And 10%. You see silt loam. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe our channel. Have a nice time.